What to study? What to study? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Where to go? Where to go? How is your pen? How is your pen? Do you know? Do you know? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? How are you? How are you? What do you do? What do you do? Why are you sad? Why are you sad? Why me? Why me? When to speak? When to speak? Is it a holiday today? Is it a holiday today? How to go? How to go? Have you done this before? Have you done this before? Are you happy now? Are you happy now? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? When to sleep? When to sleep? When do you come home? When do you come home? Are you angry? Are you angry? Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? Do you like me? Do you like me? What to see? What to see? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Who cares? Who cares? What now? What now? How is your sister now? How is your sister now? Where have you been? Where have you been? Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? What does your mother do? What does your mother do? Who am I? Who am I? How old are you? How old are you? When to go? When to go? Are you inside? Are you inside? Where is she? Where is she? How do you go to market? How do you go to market? How do you know? How do you know? Are you there? Are you there? Whom do you want to see? Whom do you want to see? Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? Won't you go? Won't you go? Who is there? Who is there? Don't you get it? Don't you get it? How long will it take? How long will it take? Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee? When to eat? When to eat? What to know? What to know? Whose book is this? Whose book is this? When will you come? When will you come? At what time did it happen? At what time did it happen? Won't you come? Won't you come? I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.